dishwasher. I'm standing this side because trying to block the lights. But anyways, hi guys. How you doing? Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Alonde Chabalala and this is Moments Unfolded with Mom Sheng, and that is Ma. It's another day, it's another vlog, and we are starting it off with a bang. You guys, before we proceed, please do make sure that you are subscribed, okay? 1. Number 2, can you just take a moment to react in terms of what's about to happen at the back? The door is open. Number 3, please don't skip the ads. No matter what happens, we do not skip the ads. Like, I drink some water, tell I love them, we love them. Whenever an advert comes along, no matter how long they are, just sit them through. I deserve it. I look forward to your comments, you guys. Lalelani. Ngathini. Do you see? Hi. Kwasa. Oh my goodness, you guys, you know what? I nearly did that. If I don't know, I'm not gonna do that. Haibo. But something is coming. Something. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm gonna tell you all about it. Angpap, that's not who I am. Calm down, Mom Shingu. It's just a delivery. Namaste. You guys, it's me once again. Sorry, that was an inner child. I'm back. That was my inner child, and they were just doing wonders. You guys, I'm expecting a very big delivery. The guys are coming right now, and we're gonna vlog this process because I'm so excited. I can't deny it. Where? The guys are here. I'm done. Yes, Sanbona. Ngapi njani? Let me close that. What's the key? So we bought a dishwasher. You guys, I feel like this light is disturbing me. Yeah. You guys. So we bought a dishwasher. Hey, yes. Hey, I love myself. There's a reason why I love and entrust on myself, in myself, I mean. Guys, we got a Samsung dishwasher. Okay? I told you. Mama, let me upgrade you, grade you. Mama, let me upgrade you. I told you that I'm upgrading to Samsung appliances. Finally, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Like, I think the excitement just took everything. So, scan judge, Ane, please don't judge me. You recall on 2 or 3 previous vlogs ago, I mentioned that we are upgrading to Samsung appliances. Yeah, we got the microwave, which is perfection. Okay, now it's going to be this. Sorry, it's that notification saying that my Samsung dishwasher has been delivered. Now it's going to be the dishwasher, followed by the washing machine, and the last thing is going to be Mama Bay here. Lapo, I love her to bits. I love my Hisense fridge, you guys, but not now. Honestly, this one is going to be something next year. Nah. I just want to change the washing machine because the shade is silver and the dishwasher is obviously not. It's the same shade as the microwave. You guys, I'm not going to be unboxing it today. Maybe a few days down the line. I'm too excited and there's just a lot to do in this house. Yeah. But I like the fact that a few weeks ago I I ordered the finished dishwashing tablets. I saw down there in the comment section, people were like, Alwande, there is manifestation down there. People even went in the sofa with that dishwasher is coming. It's coming, you guys. And I'm going to explain to you, I got the best deal. Like, I got the best deal. This dishwasher is expensive. And I kept on saying, not with me. You know me, I will buy luxury, but I will make sure that it's on a budget. I hunted down for this dishwasher and I purchased it directly from the Samsung store. Samsung, not a reseller. Samsung directly. I said, Samsung, what Samsung? They delivered, free delivery and everything. Free delivery. Imagine. So when I'm unboxing it, I'll give you guys the nitty-gritties there. I'm too excited. I'm hungry. I wanna just snuggle up. It's cold now, okay? Yeah. But you guys, I am happy. Please stay tuned. Ne? Yeah. Sharp. Hi guys, it's me once again. You guys, a lot has happened over the past 2 weeks. I just want to give you a live update. You note that I was not consistent with reference to my uploading. Yes, there was a death at home and it's just one of those that just knocks you. So my grandmother passed on, my maternal grandmother, she passed on the 13th of July. My sister called me. I don't know, I was just lazy that day. It was a Sunday. My vlog was meant to upload. I was still sleeping. It was meant to premiere. She called me around about 9:30 to notify me. I know I don't know like what happened afterwards. But I know what I did not premiere the vlog. One. Number two, I slept the whole day. I was crying the whole day. I woke up at 4, and I recall my friend was calling me around about 6 o'clock, requesting for me to eat something. So as I'm recording this today, on Saturday the 26th, yes, the funeral has taken place. It took place on the 19th. I've been home for the past week, yeah, and I was just attending to that. So I stopped vlogging the day I received my washing machine, and oh, I was so excited, you guys. Like, I was so excited. Like, my energy levels were out of this roof. Even I myself, I was shocked. I was like, hey man, what's going on? And I recall that I recorded that part on the 11th of July. I was so excited. I was video calling my sister. She was at the salon. I said, yeah, you're gonna watch the vlog. You're going to watch the vlog. Only to find out that, yeah, something bad is going to occur. So I didn't upload on that day. I know that I did upload later on. It was just the vlog that was meant to be uploaded. Otherwise, it's just been a grieving process. I have not even been vlogging up until today. Only today am I picking the camera and, yeah, having the courage to vlog. My grandmother raised me. After the passing of my mother 20 years ago, my mother passed away in 2007. So bengikhulele kagogo, ngingane ikhulele kagogo. Yeah, up until I was working. Honestly speaking, you guys, it was so unexpected. It was just unexpected. It was just one of those things where someone goes to hospital based on a minor thing. You don't expect them to not come back. I'm happy that she did see me graduate. She saw me buying a car. She saw me renovating a house. There's a lot that she saw, but I'm also sad at the fact that I had said I don't want to cry, honestly. She saw me graduate and become an admitted attorney of the High Court. She was part and parcel of those milestones. But only now it clicks that my grandmother, and funny enough, she was always telling me, Uti, when are you having a child? When am I going to hold my great-grandchild? She's not gonna see my children. She's not gonna be at my wedding, my umembe. So as much as I've achieved so much, there are things that I feel like she didn't see. Yeah, but I'm grateful that God had given her such a long life. As much as we, Tina, the kids and the family and everyone else would have loved for it to be prolonged, but uNkulunkulu uyapha, uNkulunkulu uyathatha. Guys, it was a beautiful send-off. You know, I've never been to heaven, but best believe we created heaven. Everything, the setup. My sister does deco on it. Igugu Creations was beautiful. Mzansi Sounds at home, the sound company made sure everything was perfect to the T. I'm not gonna go into details. Remember, that was a sacred moment. It was an emotional moment. I did not even want to vlog that part, but I had just taken a snippet of a video and uploaded it on my WhatsApp. Just a video of the hall and how it was prepared. And it was more of a celebration of life for umuntu omdala. You guys, yeah, ne? Yeah. So only today am I resuming with vlogging. A lot of you were sending me messages, especially on Sunday. You were saying, Mom Shengu, what's happening? There's no vlog today. Because I've never uploaded on Sunday. Or this one is going to upload on Sunday. I only uploaded on 2 Wednesdays. But I just felt it was out of place for me to upload on the actual day my grandmother had passed on. As much as, remember, a vlog is pre-recorded. So I'm back in Gauteng. My place is a mess. It is dirty. I just have a lot to do. I have just been taking it one day at a time. You guys, literally one day at a time. If I wash dishes today, that's all that I was doing. The next day I'm wiping them. The following day I'm doing. I have not been able to function. I have not. Yeah, so as you can see, I still have the same bedding. I think it's over a month right now. Honestly, yeah, I'm gonna change the bedding, but not today. Today I just wanna go and unbox my dishwasher. You know, it just went like this. Honestly speaking, I wanna unbox my dishwasher, try and sort out and wash the dishes and the things that I've purchased from Le Creuset over the past few vlogs. Yeah, just try wash those dishes, pack. I was intending on doing the pantry. I don't know. I feel like the pantry is gonna be too much work. 1, 2. Yeah, I think I still need a lot of containers to make sure, and labels and stuff like that. So I'm not sure that I'm ready for the pantry, honestly speaking. So I just wanted to give you that live updates. You know me, I'm very consistent and stuff like that. But it was just a moment where I had to take time and be with my family. And now I am back on YouTube full on. Thank you to the support, to my friends who were calling me, to everyone who was, yeah, because they also watched my channel. My granny's funeral was the most dignified funeral. It was a beautiful send-off. To my family, everyone, if they pitched in several ways, you know, and yeah, she was the head. We just hope ukuthi, as much as she's gone, every one of us under her roof will still be united and be one, because ekugcineni sizalwa umuntu oyi-one. I want to say a shout out to Nomsa Mgadi. We have each other's numbers now since we've met. So Nomsa calls me on Monday and says, "Hi, Anna Mamshengu, you didn't upload." She called me on the 14th of July. She said, "Hi, Anna Mamshengu, why is the vlog? Why didn't you upload? It was a Sunday. I was waiting for the vlog. Today is Monday. I'm waiting for a vlog." I think she called me on Tuesday, actually. Yeah, she called me on Tuesday. And then I told her, because I had not uploaded anything on my statuses. It was not real. You know, it's only real when you go home and you see. It's pity. You're like, okay, this thing is real now. You guys, the fact that a fellow YouTuber was able to check up on me means a lot. Yeah, it meant a lot. I really appreciate it. So she just said, "Alwande, take your time, forget about YouTube, focus on your family, focus on your emotional journey and your healing, and focus on burying your grandmother." I did exactly that. So she kept on checking up on me up until I arrived, and she said, "Sis, I hope in kahle." And she was complimenting because ubonile ukuthi, yeah, it was a dignified funeral. So I just want to say thank you, and not only to single her out, but I'm singling her out because it was so unexpected, honestly. You know, I was just so unexpected. It was before I was still in Johannesburg at the time, packing. I had told her that I'm packing, I'm preparing to go home. So ngiyabonga kakhulu. So yeah, so you guys, never mind me. I know that I will go back to my factory settings, but for now, let us just go and give this kitchen an uplift or some sort. I honestly don't know where this vlog will take us because a lot has just gone haywire. But stay tuned on Moments Unfolded with Mom Shengu. Thank you for loving my channel. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting down below. Thank you for watching the adverts. It means a lot to me. Okay, we are on a road to 10,000 subscribers, and I still don't even have an update with reference to the events because a lot has just been happening for the past 2 weeks. So for now, I'm just focusing on my own self and stuff like that. But thank you so much, you guys. I hope you still get to enjoy this vlog. That's what I'm hopeful for. So let's just go and unbox my washing machine, wash some dishes, etc. Yeah, bong. let us unbox this dishwasher so that we can just clean up, finalize everything, and then yeah, I'm really tired now. Ish. Shame. I hope the lighting is not bad. I had to close the door because the noise outside, it's too much. Ew. Am I meant to lift it? I don't know how I'll get this off. And I didn't want to tear the box. Oh, thank goodness you can lift the box. You. Are you ready? Are you ready? I know you're ready. 1, 2, 3. Boop, 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 boop. Yo, buckets. Oh man. Guys, this washing machine, I don't know why I keep on saying washing machine. I think that's because that's the next item that I have to purchase. Guys, this is a Samsung dishwasher. Yes, oh my goodness, I'll tell you more about it. Let me just try unbox it properly. I just wanted to show you how it looks. Yeah. You guys remember the search adapter that I got from the previous vlog? Yeah, I'm going to be using this one. Yeah, to plug all of those devices that side. So that if there's ever some electrical faults, my insurance will cover me. You guys, I don't think I'm going to finish today. There's just a lot. After I emptied these things, what do you call these things? Gonna look. I just decided to go and top up. You see, for example, I didn't have pasta, so I just decided to go and top up. So the traffic, So let me just show you what I got, and then we're just gonna unpack. I went to Pick and Pay, and then I went to Woolies. So at Woolies, I got the 3 pastas. Yeah, and then I just got this different one, the shells. Yeah, otherwise, this is what I went to buy, and then I'm gonna add it here. And then, these are 3 for 50 rands, and then I got some pork bangers. This was 60 rands. And then I decided to just try the pasta sauces from Woolies, you guys, because, I've got pasta, so I might as well. I bought the 4 cheese. This is the 4 cheese. This was 62 rands. And then I bought the roasted mushroom pasta sauce. So this is the pasta sauce, the 4 cheese. This is the mushroom sauce, 62 rands. And then I bought the beef pasta sauce. I got these. This is just my Woolies one. So how much did I spend in Woolworths? Yeah, I spent 300 rands and 96 cents. That's what I spent. Yeah. And then Pick and Pay. Hey, Pick and Pay. It's where you know, small items. You won't think of what small items will cost so much. But just one bag, literally. It's just one bag, you guys. But this one bag, shame. Okay, let's start off here. I bought maize meal. Iwisa maize meal. This was on sale. It's 5 kg. It was on sale for 50 from 70 something rands. It was like 58 rands. Yeah, this was definitely a bargain. Yeah. And then I bought the knorr soup, just different types of soup. They were on special. They were 4 for 22 rands. So I bought the first batch. Yeah, cream of mushroom, rich oxtail, cream of tomato, chakalaka soup. And then I bought another batch. Oxtail and vegetable, rich oxtail, beef and tomato, cream of mushroom, 22 rands. And then I bought some, what do you call this? Beans. Yes, beans. 1 kg sugar. Yeah. And, okay, some mayonnaise. I was out of mayonnaise. There's just a lot going on. This is, yeah, it's okay. There's no order here. And then I got some samp, 2 kgs samp. And then these I recall the price. They were 30 rands for 2 cool baked beans. And then I bought the Himalayan coarse salt. I already have, this is how it looks, you guys. But you know what I intend to do? I actually want to put this in my Le Creuset pepper mill. So I just decided, good, it's fine. That one will stay there. But for the Le Creuset one, and this was quite cheap. Honestly speaking, it was 27 rands 99. Imagine. Yeah. And then, Norox was basically having a sale. So I bought rich oxtail. These were 22 rands, 24 pack. And then the chili beef. I normally use chili beef, but I'm gonna use the oxtail as well for when I'm making my Sunday curries and whatever. But yeah, I got these ones as well. And you know what? I just bought these ones from Amazon the last time. And then you guys, Robinson's is having a special on these ones. They were 33 rands. And that's a bargain, let me tell you. Because these go for 48, 47 rands. So I bought the rustic garlic and herb. The master blend spicy shisanyama. I'm just gonna try this one out and see, because you know I use the Hlophe spice from Peter Marisburg. If you know Hlophe Butchery, shout out. That's the one that I use. That's the one that I prefer for all barbecues. But I just decided it's okay, it's fine, let me just try this one. And then I also bought the traditional braai mix. Again, I'm just trying these things, otherwise I know what I like. Then I bought the zesty lemon. Yeah, let me tell you guys, I had said to myself I'm gonna stop buying the Robinsons this size. As much as it's a bargain, it doesn't fit. I recall even last year I bought the spice rack from Gelma. Remember, it doesn't fit. But I actually recalled, remember we bought those stackable spice racks from She Street a while back. I said, you know what, let me just use those ones, gay, because this is a bargain. The small spice ends up costing a lot compared to this one. Imagine 33 rands, I'm getting so much. This what's the 200 meals, and then for the other one I think for 35 rands you're gonna get 150 meals. But just do a comparison. This is more of a bargain than, yeah. So at Pick and Pay, that's where I spent most of the money. But it's Pick and Pay. A lot of things were on special, but yeah. Oh, and I bought the peppercorns. These are the ones, the peppercorns. Remember, I'm gonna use these for the meals, the pepper meals and the salt meals. Yeah, so I bought these ones, the whole ones, because remember, for the pepper meals you grind them and it's, yeah. So at Pick and Pay I ended up spending 532 rands 87 cents. And I did not pay for any plastic. This is the plastic that I left with going in to the shops. Yeah. So you know what, you guys, I'm gonna try pack these things. I'm not going to finish today. I had thought I'm going to finish today. I'm not going to finish today, I'm telling you. We will see when I finish, but yeah, I'm not gonna finish today. But let us do some packing, ne? Shop. Hi guys. Yo guys. Yo, I am exhausted. You know what? I think prepping at home, the funeral and stuff, kongu katala, it's just coming back now and it's just a blood rush. You guys, the time is 1:30 a.m. and I can't anymore. I'm going to close off the vlog and finish it off here. I have not finished. That's another thing. I just decided to do the pantry. You know, I think I would have finished earlier, but I just decided to do the pantry and yeah. So you guys, hey, Uningi, I'm just tired. I'm just exhausted. I'll show you where I ended off. I just decided to just redo the whole kitchen. You know, some things were not making sense, honestly. Only I knew where I would find ABC. But you guys, let me tell you this. If it was according to me, my pantry would have shelves on shelves on shelves. You see the space, the in-between space. Yabona, if right now you are redoing your kitchen, think of that. Leave space like this and then leave a space like this, and then like these chunk holes like this size, it's not working out, you guys, because it ends up leaving so much space. I recall I saw at home the stackable things. Sometimes you don't even want to use that, yabo, and the extra money that you are paying for the stacks, those plastic things where you stack on top of another. Let me show you the one that I already have. Let me show it to you. This is the one I have from Pep Home. This thing is not stable, honestly speaking. It's jiggly. Even when I'm putting it, like, you can use it to store plates, but I'm just saying, Guti, unless you can mount it somewhere and make it fixed, like, I feel like I've wasted my money. I bought this sometime last year. So I'm getting to a point where I just don't know, honestly speaking. I don't know. I tried putting up the spices here. You can't reach, like, so for me, if it was according to me, when I'm doing a pantry, I must have shelves where I can easily move them, like this, like that, like this, like that, depending on what I want to put. Because I had placed my food over here, but then everything ends up being jumbled. And when I want something at the back, especially, like, you guys, maybe when you are doing your kitchen, you understand what I'm talking about, né? But I'll show you just now. But let me show you the progress, and then when I'm done, I'm just gonna say good night to you guys, yeah, so that I can go sleep. I still have to edit. This vlog needs to come out tomorrow. I'm crossing fingers it comes out on Sunday, because you know YouTube, tega sometimes when it wants to. Let me show you guys. But I'm definitely proud of the progress. You guys, so this is just 2 shelves that I've worked on currently. I'm not gonna show the ones that I have not worked on. I'm yet to work on them, but let me show you. So here it's everything cooking, my spices, like, you know, your popcorn, etc. So if you recall, I got these ones. You saw me washing them. I got these stacks from what's this place, She Streets. There were 65 rands on sale. I bought 2, and then I just stacked my spices. These spices are quite big, you guys. These ones are quite big. Why does this one have a B-bomb? Okay, but you get the gist. They are quite big. So in the drawer, not all of them could fit. So it meant that I had to, you know, so I just decided to make this a spice side. And then here, these are all of my soups, all of the soups that I'm using. This is just extra, by the way. Otherwise, the soups are here. And I'm still gonna buy new things here, you guys. What are these things? These storage jars. Yeah, for now it's just gonna be color. Remember, I'm taking this one day at a time. So let's make an example. I want to change these ones. 1 2 3 4. This is my fish spice, and then this is my turmeric. I'm gonna change these either onto these ones, or either no or something else. But maybe when we finish off the pantry, I would have changed them. But for now, yeah. And then you recall, these are my jars for the, what do you call this? from Jacob's Coffee. I've decided to put what's this, popcorn, lentils, and then these are my raisins. So yeah, this is how this side looks. I like this. This is the one that I got from Gelma a while back. So those are my Lopez spices, you know, the big ones, the 1 kgs, you know, raisins, more spices. So this is just excess things that I will use. More Norox cubes. I already have Norox cubes, but this is just extra, you guys. All of these things are just extra. So this is where I'm ending off. And then here at the bottom, you guys, this is basically my grocery cabinet. Yabo. So my coffee, honey, syrups, my, pasta sauces, peanut butter. This is just groceries. But now you see, I had to stack on top of one another so that it makes sense. Never mind. Here, Tupperware is excessive spice. These are just spices, as you can see. But what I've decided to do, I can't put them here because I feel like it's just going to obstruct. Hence, I've kept them here. Hence, I've placed them in a Tupperware. But if I were to do this, it is just, what do you call that? Spaghetti, more popcorn over the side. So I'm okay with this, honestly, because here it's mostly things that I want to top off with. So you see the spices, like here I have my basil leaves, my curry leaves, cinnamon, barbecue, things that, you know, are in containers, etc. So this is how this one looks, you guys. So I'm proud of this. I'm okay. And I still need to add more space for more juice because I know that I will be adding more, but we'll see. Maybe if I get nice, like, I don't know, but these are just groceries. So over here I have my jungle oats, my milk, you know, things that are extra. That's what I'm trying to say. This is what a pantry is for extra storage, for extra groceries. Everything is here. Let me show you the progress so far. This is what I changed. If you recall, I had placed my Le Creuset on top, as you see here. I'm yet to transfer and move that Le Creuset. I just don't know what I'll put on top of there. But for now, this is how this one is looking. So the reason why I ended up moving this from the pantry is because, one, you guys, you see these storage jars, these ones, they are quite heavy. So in the pantry, they were not able to sit like this. I had to sit them in a row, of which it's obstructing. Let's just make an example. If I want to grab some maize meal, the difficulty of me moving everything else. Yeah. So this is where, and then on top, I love the storage jars. I honestly wish that at home had more. I would go and fetch them. Please let me know, you guys, if you happen to come across these ones. Specifically these ones, you see the ones with the hips. I recently unboxed them. I got them from at home. The price was like 230 or 250. I got them for 100 rands each. So these are the ones that I actually intend on keeping. You know why? Look at how I'm able to stack these ones, you see, which means that I'm able to get more. You see, I can literally do this, but for now it's just gonna be empty. Hence I just decided to do it like this for now. But should I get more of them, then best believe, you guys, I'm gonna be able to stack, because it's not a bad stack. Like, it's just easily accessible. And then here on the side, you know me, I love my acacia jugs. I got these from Pep Home. This is oats. This is basically my cereal, you guys. This is oats. This is maltabella. And then here I have my coffee pods. I think the arrangement here is okay. I can always add more. So for here, I can always add. So I think I'm going to add another one for spaghetti. This length, yeah, for spaghetti. Otherwise, everything else is fine here. Yeah, but I'm liking this. So on top, I don't know what to put on top, honestly. The reason is, that means I can reach from 1 to 2, but I can't reach anything there. I need a step ladder. So does it make sense that I put food over there? Because it means whenever I want something, I just have to go up. Please give me suggestions. But for now, I just placed my Le Creuset oven dishes. But I'm not going to lie, you guys, I would like Le Creuset to be on its own, but at this point I don't think it's gonna work. I don't think I'm going to have Le Creuset on its own, because I just have too much of Le Creuset and I don't have one cabinet to put all of these things for Le Creuset. But for now, this is a secondary pantry that I'm utilizing. Yeah, I love this. I'm not gonna lie, I love this. I love these jars. You know, I got these ones from Mr. Price Home. They were on sale when I got them a while back. I think I got them in 2024 or 2023, but they were on sale. These ones were on sale. Here you can see that I mixed, but this is the same brand. I was too lazy to start off with this one, the new one, but I'm going to eat this food anyways. But yeah, you guys. So you guys, this is part one. We shall do part two on the upcoming vlog, but I just wanted to show you the progress. Hopefully nothing will change, you guys. You know, us women, like, we're allowed to change our minds, right? But hopefully nothing will change, and if nothing changes, that is perfect. I'll show you guys as time goes by. We'll see what is the final look. So let me just go rest. I still need to edit this. Hopefully it's able to come out tomorrow. Have a good night. Ngiyanithanda njengemali, and thank you for loving my channel. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you get sold on lifestyle content. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like the vlog. I hope you have commented down below, because I definitely love and enjoy engaging with you. And last but not least, if you have not watched the adverts, it's okay. You are allowed to watch the next ones. Please do not skip the ads. That's how we make revenue from YouTube. Someone says, I always skip them, I don't understand. You always say don't skip the ads. When you skip ads, I'm not gonna make money. But when you watch the ads, no matter how long they are, it's just a way of appreciating the content that I'm giving you guys, the way I make revenue. Okay, so please, whenever an advert comes along, you know the drill. You drink water, you tell a loved one you love them up until the advert, please, no matter how long they are. Okay, guys, nginthanda njengemali. Just know that nginthanda nonke, and thank you so much for loving my content. Mwah, love, Mamshing.